Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Sunday, March 8, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Good morning, Alex.
Good morning, David.
How are you today?
I am okay. I am a little tired.
Me too. I need coffee. I need a lot of coffee.
Is the machine working?
Yes, it is working. Do you want a cappuccino?
No, just black coffee for me, please.
You are very serious today.
I have a long day. I have 3 meetings this morning.
3 meetings? That is terrible.
I know. Project management is hard work. How is sales?
Sales is good, but I am busy too. I have 10 calls to make.
10 calls, good luck.
Thanks, I need it. This coffee is hot.
Be careful, do not burn your tongue.
It is good coffee. So did you read the news this morning?
Yes, I read the news on the train. Why?
Did you see the article in the Washington Post? It is about the new car.
The Tesla Model Q?
Yes, the car without a steering wheel.
I saw that. It is very controversial.
I think it is amazing. No steering wheel. You just sit and relax.
It scares me, David. A car with no driver?
But it is the future. The article says it is legal now. It is legal on all highways in the U.S.
I know. I read that it uses 50 cameras to see the road.
Exactly. 50 cameras are better than 2 eyes.
Maybe, but what if the computer crashes? Computers crash all the time.
My computer crashes every day. But this is a car, it is different.
I do not know. I like to drive. I like control.
You are a project manager. You always like control.
That is true. I like to manage things. But this car has no pedals either. No brake, no gas.
That is the best part. I can eat my breakfast in the car. I can sleep.
Sleeping in a car is dangerous.
Not with the Model Q. It costs $25,000. That is a good price.
$25,000 is cheap. But I prefer my old car.
You are old-fashioned, Alex.
I am safe, David. Safety is important.
Well, I want one. I want to arrive at work relaxed.
You are never relaxed. You are always talking.
That is my job. I am a salesman.
True. Did you see the other news? The one in the Wall Street Journal?
Which one? The economy section.
Yes, about the taxes.
Oh, the remote work tax? I saw that.
It is a big change. 5% tax is a lot.
It is crazy. If you work for a U.S. company, but you live in another country, you pay 5% more.
It affects many people. Digital nomads are not happy.
I understand why. They want to save money, now they must pay.
The government says it is fair. They say remote workers do not pay for local services.
But 5% is high. Imagine you make $100,000. You pay $5,000 extra.
Yes, it is expensive. Do we have remote workers in our company?
Yes, we have 2 people in the sales team. One lives in Mexico.
He will be angry.
He is always angry. Now he will be very angry.
I think companies will stop hiring remote workers.
Maybe. Or maybe the workers will come back to the office.
I like the office. I like the coffee machine.
Me too. And I like talking to you.
Thank you. But this tax changes the economy. It changes how we work.
Everything is about money. Always money.
Economics is important, David. It affects our salaries.
I know. I hope my salary goes up, not down.
Work hard, and maybe it will go up.
I work very hard. I am the best salesman here.
You are the loudest salesman here.
That is a compliment. Thank you.
You are welcome. Did you see the last story? The one on CNN?
The culture story about the book?
Yes, the Pulitzer Prize winner.
That is wild. An AI wrote the book.
Not completely. It was a collaboration, a human and an AI.
But the AI wrote 80% of the text. That is a lot.
The title is Echoes of Tomorrow. It sounds like a human title.
The writers are furious. They are protesting in New York.
I understand them. Writing is an art. A computer is not an artist.
But the judges liked it. They said it was the best novel of the year.
It is strange. Can a robot feel emotion? Can it write about love?
The article says the AI analyzed 1 million books to learn.
That is copying. That is not creating.
I don't know. If the story is good, does it matter?
Yes, it matters. Art comes from the human heart, not from a server.
You are very romantic, Alex.
I am realistic. If AI writes books, what do humans do?
We read them. It is easier.
You are lazy.
I am efficient. There is a difference.
The article said the author used the AI to fix the plot.
See, it is a tool, like a calculator or this coffee machine.
A coffee machine does not win a Pulitzer Prize.
Maybe one day, the best coffee in the world by Mr. Machine.
You are silly. But this is a big debate in society.
It is first the cars, then the taxes, now the books. The world is changing fast.
It is changing very fast. It is hard to keep up.
That is why we have coffee, to stay awake.
You are right. I need this caffeine.
So, are you ready for your 3 meetings?
Not really, but I have no choice.
Just remember the AI book. Maybe you can use AI to do your meetings.
That is a funny idea. An AI project manager?
It would be very organized, but not very nice.
Hey, I am nice.
You are nice, but you are strict.
Someone must be strict. Otherwise, nothing gets done.
True. Well, I must go. My phone is ringing.
Is it a client?
I hope so. I need a sale today.
Good luck with your 10 calls.
Good luck with your meetings. See you at lunch?
Maybe if I finish on time.
Okay. Have a good morning, Alex.
You too, David. See you later.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.